Welcome, I'm Benjamin, and today I'm going to show you a demo of the Obside platform in which you can turn plain text into backtested trading algorithms. The first step for you is to decide which type of strategy you want to create. A trading strategy, where positions will be actively managed based on specific conditions, or an investment strategy that is more suited for passive investors who just want to invest a regular amount of money over time on specific assets, with, for example, some rebalancing at some point. So for today, let's create a trading strategy. The next step for me is to decide on which assets I want to apply and test my strategy. We cover thousands of assets from different asset classes with up to 20 years of price history. Let's say I want to apply and test my strategy on Bitcoin and the Apple stock. I'll just select these two and I'll go to the next step. Here is where the magic happens. I only need to describe my strategy rules in plain English, or actually whatever language. So I'll just type in my entry and exit rules for my strategy. So let's say, for example, we want to test the following one. On the 2-hour chart, buy when the price has increased for 3 candles in a row and is at the highest price of the last 10 candles. So this will be my entry rule, and as for my exit rule, let's say I want to use a trailing stop loss at a distance of 5 ATR. So I'll just type that, the ATR being an indicator of volatility. So we said trailing stop loss at 5 ATR. I can express things the way I want as long as it's clear enough. We'll backtest this strategy over the last 7 years with a starting capital of 5,000 euros, and we'll risk 0.5% of our capital per trade, and we will allow the multi-trade so that we can have more than one trade open at once. All right, let's go to the next step. Here, Obside Intelligence is telling me that my rules are clear enough and the strategy is ready for the backtest. If my rules wouldn't be precise or clear, then the assistant Obside Intelligence would tell me what to improve. All right, now I just need to click backtest, and here we go. All right, it's already done. Let's see what we got. So here I have a recap of what Obside did to basically check if the rules and logic I wanted to test have been properly applied by Obside in the backtest. This allows me to control whether Obside AI did exactly what I wanted it to do. Here, everything is fine, so I'll just click that's correct. So now I have a complete overview of the strategy's performance over the backtested period. I can see the capital evolution chart, as well as some essential metrics here on the right. For example, the total performance, the max drawdown, annualized returns, and so on. This allows me to interpret if, just at a glance, the strategy is good enough or not. I can also see the monthly performance over the backtested period to check if, like here in 2022, this was a harsher year than the others. I also have access to some advanced metrics to know more in depth how the strategy has behaved. And if I want, I can even check the trades directly plotted on a TradingView chart to see exactly where the strategy entered or exited positions as price moved. With the optimize button here at the top, I can create some variations of my strategy. This will be very helpful if I just want to play around with the parameters while keeping the same core logic. I would just need to type in the new values that I want to check. For example, for the ATR, I used a 5 ATR length, but I could say that I want to test from 2 to 10. And then Obside would create me several variations of my strategy. In this case here, 9, and about 30 seconds later, that's it. I would have access to all the results. So as you can see, in just a few minutes, I was really able to see if a trading strategy works or not. And if I like it in the very near future, I will even be able to run it on my brokerage account or publish it on the marketplace to monetize it for other people to use. Now, feel free to test your own strategies. Have fun, and if you need any help in the process, we're available for you at any time. I'll see you soon. Bye.